Question 1. Which plateau is also known as heart of industrial India? A. Deccan. B. Ladakh. C. Chota Nagpur. D. Western. Correct answer is C. Chota Nagpur. Question 2. Golden Handshake scheme in India is related with A. Voluntary retirement. B. Indian gold dealers. C. Foreign gold dealers in India. D. Promoting trade in gold. Correct answer is A. Voluntary retirement. Question 3. Which script is used in Hindi language? A. Brahmi script. B. Mahajani script. C. Devanagari script. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Devanagari script. Question 4. With which of these cards the phrase Aam Aadmi Ka Adhikar is associated? A. Voter ID card. B. PAN card. C. Aadhaar card. D. Ration card. Correct answer is C. Aadhaar card. Question 5. The India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed during A. Sepoy Mutiny. B. World War I. C. World War II. D. India-China War, 1962. Correct answer is B. World War I. Question 6. Which Indian organization uses the artificial intelligence chatbot, Ask Disha, for its customer? A. Air India. B. Indian Railway. C. LIC. D. SBI. Correct answer is B. Indian Railway. Question 7. What is the official residence of the Indian Prime Minister? A. 11. Ashok Road. B. 10. Akbar Road. C. 7. Lok Kalyan Road. D. 1. Annie Marg. Correct answer is C. 7. Lok Kalyan Road. Question 8. Good Governance Day is observed to mark the birthday of A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question 9. Which Indian state's tagline is Heart of Incredible India? A. Rajasthan. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 10. Who designed the Aadhaar logo? A. Atul S. Pandey. B. R. K. Pachuri. C. Sri Ramamurthy Janaki. D. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Correct answer is A. Atul S. Pandey. Question 11. Which cities are known as the Golden Triangle of Indian tourism? A. Delhi, Jaipur and Agra. B. Mumbai, Goa and Pune. C. Agra, Kanpur and Lucknow. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Delhi, Jaipur and Agra. Question 12. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? A. Kamal Ranadive. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Tessie Thomas. D. Janaki Ammal. Correct answer is C. Tessie Thomas. Question 13. Which city of India is also known as Silicon Valley of India? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Hyderabad. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is D. Bengaluru. Question 14. In which of these countries were the first Asian Games 1951 held? A. India. B. China. C. South Korea. D. Japan. Correct answer is A. India. New Delhi. Question 15. Which state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 16. The official duration of the national anthem of India is A. 50 seconds. B. 52 seconds. C. 55 seconds. D. 60 seconds. Correct answer is B. 52 seconds. Question 17. The total number of digits in UIDAI Aadhaar is A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. D. 13. Correct answer is C. 12. Question 18. Which city is also known as the cultural capital of India? A. Kolkata. B. Varanasi. C. Allahabad. D. Puri. Correct answer is A. Kolkata. Question 19. Which is the first movie made in India? A. Alam Ara. B. Raja Harishchandra. C. Sathi Sulochana. D. Kisan Kanya. Correct answer B. Raja Harishchandra. Question 20. The notar option was first used in the elections in A. 2004. B. 2007. C. 2013. D. 2015. Correct answer is C. 2013. Question 21. The smallest million city of India is A. Amritsar. B. Allahabad. C. Rajkot. D. Vijayawada. Correct answer is C. Rajkot. Question 22. The world's highest rainfall occurs in A. Mumbai. B. Assam. C. Mauzineram. D. Cherrapunji. Correct answer is C. Mauzineram, in Meghalaya. Question 23. First census in India was conducted in the year underscore A. 1872. B. 1927. C. 1910. D. 1887. Correct answer is A. 1872. Question 24. Who was the first and last Indian Governor General of Free India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. D. Lord Warren Hastings. Correct answer is C. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Question 25. Which is the longest national highway of India? A. National Highway 4. B. National Highway 2. C. National Highway 6. D. National Highway 44. Correct answer is D. National Highway 44. Question 26. Who was the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. S. Radhakrishnan. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is C. S. Radhakrishnan. Question 27. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, is dedicated to which Indian leader? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Vallabhbhai Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is B. Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 28. India's first post office ATM was opened at A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Jaipur. Correct answer is C. Chennai. Question 29. Who was the Indian women president of the United Nations General Assembly? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Sucheta Kripalani. D. Fatima Bibi. Correct answer is B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question 30. In which Veda, details about music is mentioned? A. Atharva Veda. B. Yajurveda. C. Rigveda. D. Samaveda. Correct answer is D. Samaveda. Question 31. Which Indian Prime Minister is also known as Man of Peace? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Gulzarilal Nanda. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Morarji Desai. Correct answer is C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question 32. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort in India? A. Jaigarh Fort. B. Amer Fort. C. Junagadh Fort. D. Jaisalmer Fort. Correct answer is D. Jaisalmer Fort. Question 33. In which year, the railway budget was separated from the central budget? A. 1924. B. 1936. C. 1950. D. 1952. Correct answer is A. 1924. Question 34. Which port is called Queen of Arabian Sea? A. Kochi. B. Mumbai. C. Surat. D. Kandla. Correct answer is A. Kochi. Question 35. Where the first residential school for the transgenders was established in India? A. Kochi. B. Chennai. C. Bengaluru. D. Shillong. Correct answer is A. Kochi. Question 36. The agency in India that is authorized to maintain Indian Standard Time, IST, is A. International Bureau of Weights and Measures. B. All India Radio. C. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. D. National Physical Laboratory. Correct answer is D. National Physical Laboratory. Question 37. The autobiography, Unbreakable, is written by which sportsperson? A. Mitali Raj. B. Mary Kom. C. Abhinav Bindra. D. Milkha Singh. Correct answer is B. Mary Kom. Question 38. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, MNREGP, was introduced in A. 2004. B. 2005. C. 2006. D. 2007. Correct answer is B. 2005. Question 39. Ayushman Bharat program is related to which sector? A. Infrastructure. B. Railways. C. Agriculture. D. Healthcare. Correct answer is D. Healthcare. Question 40. Who was the first American president to visit India? A. Richard Nixon. B. Jimmy Carter. C. Dwight D. Eisenhower. D. George W. Bush. Correct answer is C. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Question 41. What is the animal on the insignia of the RBI? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Panther. D. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Tiger. Question 42. The Indian rupee sign was adopted by the Government of India. A. 2006. B. 2008. C. 2010. D. 2012. Correct answer is C. 2010. Question 43. Who was the FRST chairman of Union Public Service Commission? A. Sir Eyre. B. Sir Ross Barker. C. Sir David Petrie. D. Sir F.W. Robertson. Correct answer is B. Sir Ross Barker. Question 44. French is one of the official language of which union territories? A. Goa. B. Daman. C. Puducherry. D. Lakshadweep. Correct answer is C. Puducherry. Question 45. When was Make in India launched by Government of India? A. The 26th of January 2014. B. The 25th of September 2014. C. The 25th of December 2014. D. 26 October 2014. Correct answer is B. The 25th of September 2014.